Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and use the auto rotate feature, also called the landscape mode, on Samsung phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G from 2025, and if you want to enable the auto rotate mode, you need to go to the top, the quick access panel, and this is the icon for auto rotate, and if you tap on it, now it's enabled. And if you press and hold on it, also here we have some features. We have the home screen feature, the lock screen, and the voice call screen. Now, if you don't enable these features, you can use the auto rotate feature, for example, when you are on a web page and, for example, you want to read more easily, you can rotate your screen and use it like this in the landscape mode. Now, I will go back and I will press again on this button, and let's enable for home screen and lock screen, and tap done. And as you can see now, we have the home screen in landscape mode, and you can use it like this. Maybe for some of us is more easily. Now, if you lock the screen like this is the lock screen. Also here we have the clock, and if you have always on display enable, again we have the clock, and you can use your phone over the night like a clock. So it is very easy. We have some good features, and now I want to ask you a question. Here in the bottom we have the feature show rotate button at bottom of the screen. To enable this feature, you need to disable it and enable it now. And I don't know what that means and how to use it. If you know it, please write me in the comment area, and we'll talk about it. Also, I hope this video to be useful for you. This is the button. You can turn it on from here, very easy. I hope this video to be useful, and if you like my type of content, you can subscribe, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.